How to make Irish soda bread. Irish soda bread is a type of quick bread that relies on baking soda, not yeast, to rise. The bread contains buttermilk, which contains lactic acid. The acid reacts with the baking soda to create air bubbles, resulting in a perfectly risen dough. Ingredients: for cups all-purpose flour, plus a quarter cup more for dusting. A quarter cup granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon sea salt. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 6 tablespoon cold unsalted butter, plus 1/2 tablespoon to grease pan. 1 3/4 cups cold low-fat buttermilk or kefir. 1 large egg, cold. 1 cup raisins or dried cranberries, optional. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven at 375 F. Generously grease a 10-inch cast iron skillet with 1/2 tablespoon butter. 2. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, salt, and baking soda. Cut butter into small pieces and use your fingers to work the butter into the flour until crumbs form. Stir in the raisins, breaking up any clumps of raisins. Make a well in the center. 3. In a large measuring cup, whisk together the buttermilk and egg, then add this mixture into the flour mixture. Use a wooden spoon and mix just until lightly moistened and dough barely starts to come together. 4. Transfer to a floured surface and use floured hands to shape the dough just until it forms into a round loaf. It should be shaggy. If it's too sticky to handle, dust lightly with flour. Do not overmix or bread will be tough. 5. Transfer to the buttered pan. Use a knife to score the top with a large and deep X. Bake in the center of your preheated oven at 375 for 50 to 55 minutes. When you tap on the bread, it should sound hollow inside. Transfer bread to a wire rack to cool. 6. Enjoy within 2 days of making it and refrigerate leftovers up to a week. Ingredients notes. Flour. All-purpose flour works best. Sugar. A quarter cup makes it a lightly sweet bread. Salt. Every good bread needs a fair amount. Baking soda. Leavening, which makes the bread rise. Butter. Gives the bread a scone-like texture. Use cold, unsalted. Buttermilk. Activates the soda. Use cold, low-fat. Egg. For a finer, richer crumb. Raisins. Optional and can be substituted for dried cranberries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.